Alright, how's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we have a review of a camera. I'm not sure how to pronounce that name, but that's it. So this one is a 4K underwater camera. It is supposedly it's waterproof up to 11 feet. It does support 4K video. You'll see that later. It also takes 48 megapixel photos, and it's got dual screens. So it's got a screen for the front, so if you're facing this way, and then it's got a pretty large, decent resolution screen on the back. And I'll show you that here in a minute. But yeah, so my first initial impressions when I opened this, and actually when I even looked at just looking at the box, I was like, I don't know how good this is going to be. Because, well, you'll remember the little Polaroid action camera didn't fare too well. It was really terrible. This one kind of blew my mind, especially with what came in the box. So, first, you get a pretty... I wish I could have unboxed it for you, but I was just, honestly, I was so excited to start the video, or start the review process of the camera, so I didn't unbox it. So apologies for that, but it is micro USB, but honestly, it's a pretty long cable. Like it's about 3 feet, 3.3 feet, something like that. But it is pretty long. And another thing that really surprised me is not only did it come with one battery, it came with two. So that made me pretty excited for this camera. And it also came with a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, which is pretty cool. It does have a standard 1/4 inch. Shoot, I just dropped the magnet one, but a standard 1/4 inch tripod mount. But yeah, this camera is it's gonna blow you away, because honestly, yeah, I was pretty impressed. Oh, not only that, and I'll go ahead and give you like a little foreshadowing, if you will. It survived the dishwasher. Not once, but twice. Actually 3 times. But it's got this really thick rubber gasket here. Not an O-ring. It's a whole gasket. And it works really well. So, give me a minute and I will switch to the... so you can see. It is going to be kind of awkward because... oh, actually, I forgot I can just close it. Okay, so, yeah, let me switch the camera view and... Alright, so, I'm in the middle of editing this video. And I've realized there's not a whole lot of putting together for the video. So I'm just going to show you some random clips, including the camera being in the dishwasher. That one actually turned out pretty good. So, yeah, let's get to it. And then we'll go from there. Alright, so this is the TRSUNOW camera. And I'm currently filling the sink, so we're going to test out the water and, so this is the quality you have to look forward to in fairly reasonable lighting situations. So, give me a minute and we will get to the dunk test. Alrighty, got the sink full of water here. It's time for the dunk test. I'm not just going to slow dunk it. I'm going to toss it in there. So, 3, 2, 1. Honestly, it just floated. It floated like at an angle. We might have water in it. Alright, this is a test of this waterproof action camera. I don't really know how to pronounce the name of it, so we're just going to see how it goes. This is in 4K, so it's supposed to be 48 megapixels. So we're going to see how it goes. So far, I'm not really having high hopes for the 4K. Now this is full HD. I don't know what the frame rate is, but judging by the screen, it does look like it's a whole lot better. Dishwasher test.